Welcome to today's show. Your boy Ismail here. Ethereum topped Bitcoin and network daily fees over weekend. Daily Ethereum network fees have surpassed those of Bitcoin network and the gap is growing. Recent data suggests. Also on today's news, Bitcoin price 75K within a week. Recovery mimics 2013 700% bull run. Bitcoin is perfectly repeating its run up to all-time high in 2013. Price analysts revealed these spies mixed feeling about 2020 outlooks. Former KFC employee built a crypto drug empire, lost it all today. The Leicester Crown Court confiscated over 2.29 million from an online drug kingpin who ran a darknet store from an attic of his home. Paul Johnson set up a company selling the tea at home. He shared with his wife and child and used Bitcoin and the dark web to trade ecstasy, LSD, and heroin and cocaine. On our next scoop, Bitcoin is at the apex of key pattern. The breakout will decide Bitcoin trend. Also on today's news, why an even deeper correction is expected from the crypto market hottest altcoin. We'll also be looking at the Bitcoin prices and the altcoin prices and where are they likely to go. Also, discover how to earn Ethereum daily guide directly to your Ethereum wallet with this simple and lucrative Ethereum smart contract. The link will be in the description below. Thank you for tuning in. Your boy Ismail here. On our first scoop, daily Ethereum network fees surpassed those of Bitcoin network for 2 consecutive days on June 6 and June 7. Data obtained by the on-chain market and analysis firm Glassnode show. According to Glassnode, on June 6, the total amount in fees spent on Ethereum network added up to $498,000 compared to Bitcoin $308,000. The gap widened the next day, totaling $540,000 and Bitcoin $258,000 respectively. This is the second time Ethereum fees have topped Bitcoin this year. On March 12, there was a sudden spike in the Ethereum network fees, which totaled almost $800,000, greatly exceeding the amount paid by Bitcoin users on the same day. The Ethereum network was experiencing a major congestion at the time, which likely prompted users to pay more fees on their transactions. This time around, the reason behind what Twitter commentators are calling the feepening seems similar. First, Bitcoin mempool has recently been clear as a result of the latest difficulty adjustment, which took place on Thursday. The lack of pending transaction has greatly reduced transaction fee on the network, which have dropped to $1 mark. For comparison, on May 20th, an average Bitcoin transaction could cost up $6.6 due to the post-halving state of the network. Ethereum mempool is currently clogged with over 103,000 transactions pending, which partly explain the latest network fees numbers. Moreover, stablecoin transfer value has been hitting new record this year, suggesting that stablecoin, most of which like Tether, PAX, and USD coin operate on Ethereum network, have greatly contributed to the network activities. On the next news, Bitcoin is looking like it will hit 70,000, and that could happen within a week, one analyst has found. Upload a fresh Bitcoin price chart on Twitter on June 7. Cane Island Alternative Advisors Timothy Patterson unearthed an uncanny similarity to Bitcoin 2013. Patterson eyes almost perfect 2013 correlation, tracking Bitcoin price recovery from its low of 3,600 in mid-March. Pearson noted that its recovery almost exactly tracked price action back 7 years ago. The result he urged could keep up the copycat move. Bitcoin top out of $1,300 in 2013. In a similar 700 bull run at today price gave a target price of 75,000. The 2020 Bitcoin recovery has tracked in 2013 a recovery almost perfectly, he summarized, as we weeks away from 75,000. While such spike seem unlikely, Bitcoin is exhibiting strong signs that it is in recovery mode from lows that will never reappear. Specifically, miners activity and association data have meaning December 2018 when Bitcoin bounced out of a year-long bear market of $3,100. Nonetheless, comparing today's Bitcoin market with that of 2013, It is all but impossible at the time. Mt. Gox was the only major exchange itself exploding to cause a massive price crash. Many argue that Mt. Gox was itself responsible for the run of 1300. Other analysts are much more sober on the outlook of 2020. According to the Cointelegraph market felt the Leicester Crown Court ordered the seizure of over 2.29 million on June 8th from a UK individual who up a multi-billion crypto drug empire from the attic of his home. According to the Hubbard Mail, Park Johnson, 32, a former KFC employee, ran a darknet marketplace from his semi-detached house in Leicestershire. Johnson was also sentenced to 8 years in prison in February. Study graduate, Johnson posed as a tea trader as a cover for his international drug exchange. The authorities detailed that Johnson imported and sold over 400 pounds of heroin, cocaine, LSD, cannabis, ketamine. All of the store purchases were made in Bitcoin. Local media quoted John Martin Hertz, who said that the drug dealer generated total revenue approximately of 2.77 million. Although they only managed to confiscate 2.29 million, Johnson will have to forfeit the total within three months, as well as other assets, including a $25,000 Range Rover and a 38,000 Nissan Juke, which will be up for sale. The former KFC was indicated for possession of a Class A and Class B possession with intent to supply Class A drug, improper importing of good to the UK, and 5 court of money laundering. 5 court of money laundering. Johnson ex Leah Taylor Walton was sentenced to 2 years in prison, suspended for 2 years due to her complicity with the online drug empire. She was also accused of acquiring property with illicit money. Law enforcement seized drug on Johnson property. Also on today's update, Bitcoin price action has been rather volatile over the past 2 weeks, with the asset whipsawing between $8,000 and $10,000. In the past 2 weeks alone, there was approximately 250 million worth of position liquidation on BitMEX alone due to the volatile, according to the data shared by crypto derivative tracker Screw.com. Yet the price action has actually been consolidation for a micro perspective. Bitcoin is now approaching the apex of a crucial triangle pattern that has contained Bitcoin price action for the past few months. Its breakout will most likely decide the trend of the next few months, maybe even lower. That's to say, should Bitcoin break higher, it could be at the start of a full bull run. A cryptocurrency trader recently shared the chart below, noting that Bitcoin is currently consolidating around the apex of two converging technical levels. First, the horizon resistance of $10,500. Second, an ascending trend line that has supported Bitcoin since March low. Due to the importance of these two levels and this triangle as a whole, the breakout will be important in determining what direction the crypto market heads in the medium term, as you can see from the graph below. As of right now, Bitcoin is trading at $9,720. Ethereum is trading at $243. XRP is trading at 20 cents. EOS is trading at $2. Biden is trading at $17. XTZ is trading at $2.89. Chainlink is trading at $4.45. Bitcoin Cash is trading at $257. Bitcoin Silver is trading at $189. And you know we saved the best for last. The crypto asset known as Terra was the hottest altcoin in space during May, but false rumors of partnership with Google led to a strong sellout. The downside in the cryptocurrency look to continue as two highly accurate sell signals have triggered on weekly time frame on both USD and BTC trading pairs. Tether pumped nearly 400% against the dollar in May, 350% against Bitcoin. At the start of May, to the peak of the pump, the altcoin known as Tether rallied over 360% against Bitcoin. There was a matching nearly 400 rise on the USD trading pair. The rally was fueled by false information spreading about a partnership with Google. However, it was later revealed that the partnership was simply Tether relying on Google Cloud service on the client side. While no true partnership exists, The massive surge brought back memories of crypto hype bubble. Over the last month, few altcoins were discussed as highly as Theta. The asset quickly became the crypto industry hottest token. But as soon as the overly eager investor realized the partnership news was a non-event, a sellout cut the game back significantly. More downside is also very likely. Given a set of sell setup signal by TD sequentials indicated on weekly time frames. That was all for the crypto news and update for today. This have been your boy Ismail. Peace. Have a great day.